hide your wives, hide your sisters, because Johnny is here. 100, everything multiplied by 15 times. This one out, where exactly we'll be getting to another spin. Hey. Hey. Come on, Leo. Stop being edgy. We need your awesomeness. Here we go. 5x in a cash. And that's a good moment for a cash hunt, we only know. Have 2 of those on yourself. Literally 2 of those there, so come on. You can do that. Come on. Easy. Cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my favorite bonus round. Maybe. One of 4 of my favorite bonus rounds. Here we go. A lot of hundreds there, boys. Slap that 5x on top. Just look at the amount of 500s over there, eh? Nice. Let's pull the lever. All the multipliers will be hidden behind those nice little icons and shuffled a little bit. You'll be having 14 seconds to try to figure out where exactly is that 500. One of those. You take your time, no reason to rush. Don't forget, multipliers and icons are not related in any way whatsoever. Good luck to you. Enjoy. If you're not sure what to pick, you can... I hate it when one of your hair and mustaches goes into your nose. You can use the auto pick, ladies and gentlemen, if you feel like it. I'm going for rabbit in the second lane, just right after the birds. But don't follow me, please. Okay, ready? What was there? 50, yeah. 500s were mostly in the bottom part, ladies and gentlemen. 504 of you found it, 981 found 100. Woo! Welcome, Mr. Marco. So 2,268 winners, guys. Comment about it. You guys, newcomers dropping by. Don't be shy asking questions because we're nuts in here. Everybody's crazy. Kamarajaba, you're a hell of an moderator. He is. He's a hardcore. You know? Hide your wives. Hide your sisters. Because Johnny is here. 15x Pachinko, guys. Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. What is the biggest multi you have got? Top hat. 5,000x. Alright. Come on. My heart. Oh my goodness, that's a 15x Pachinko. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, 15x Pachinko. Let's go. Oh man, my heart is pounding like crazy. My heart is pounding like crazy. It is nuts. This is absolutely insane. All right, guys, the multipliers. 5 is the lowest. 7, 10, come on. 25, 35, 40, 100. Everything multiplied by 15 times. And the max multiplier is 1,500x. Look at the board. Oh my God, look at the board, guys. Oh my goodness. This is so insane. Oh man, this is the power of the onion, man, guys. Come on. All right. 500, 600, come on. Be good. Oh, 600x. Oh, the Pachinko. Come here. All right, 5,551 total wins, guys. Comment, everybody. This is insane. Oh, man. This is nuts. Woo! I'm losing my voice. New Horizon. Hell yeah.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.